Hi, welcome to an E3101 Material Acceptance Portal video. Today, we'll discuss the E3101 system, specifically focusing on the functionality of the Resident Engineer portal. Let's get started. For projects on Caltrans right-of-way, compliance with Section 6 Control of Materials of the standard specifications requires the contractor to list all sources of materials and locations on the Notice of Materials form. The specified materials may be subject to inspection and release before shipment is made. To facilitate this process, contractors can submit E3101 Notice of Materials forms online, streamlining communication and receiving responses from Caltrans through emails. E3101 MAP, short for Electronic CEM 3101 and Material Acceptance Portal, replaces and streamlines the traditional CEM 3101 process. To use your project within the E3101 system, please contact your project's METS representative. We simply need the email contacts of key project personnel. These include, but are not limited to, the prime contractor, the resident engineer, and the METS representative. Here's a quick overview of the E3101 process. To begin, the contractor or subcontractor submits an E3101 and the system notifies the RE by email for review. The RE goes to the E3101 portal, and if the data on the E3101 form needs adjustment, the RE requests resubmission, and the system automatically sends an email to the contractor or subcontractor. Once the data on the E3101 form is accurate and complete, the RE forwards the E3101 form to METS, triggering an email notification to METS. After METS processes the individual E3101 items, the system automatically dispatches TL responses to all project personnel involved. I wanted to bring your attention to the light blue color on the diagram, as it corresponds in the upcoming slide to the mechanism through which the system generates email notifications. Following the contractor submission of the E3101 form, the system automatically notifies the RE, prime contractor, and/or certified materials provider if applicable. Following the RE's action, the system sends an email notification requesting resubmission to the contractor or forwards the form to METS for processing by the material administrator. Once METS completes processing the E3101 items, the METS representative issues either a TLS-28 notice indicating that the materials are subject to inspection at the job site, or a TL-608 notice for materials to be furnished, requiring source inspection and release before shipment is made. Today, I will provide a tutorial on navigating the E3101 RE portal. This includes accessing the E3101 homepage, contractor login procedures, RE login procedures, dashboard components, assigning delegates, processing E3101 forms, and checking project status. To visit the E3101 homepage, go to mets.dot.ca.gov/E3101. Proceed by clicking on the Login button. Contractors or subcontractors submit E3101s by entering a contract number, login code, and clicking the Login button. The prime contractor has access to the unique login code and can send the login code to their email. The prime contractor can share the login code with their subcontractors as a collaborative approach to submit E3101s for a project. To access the E3101 RE portal, scroll down and click on the Caltrans Construction Resident Engineer link. On this page, enter your email address and password. If you have a DOT email address, you can log in using your CTPass credentials. If it is your first time logging in and you have a non-DOT email address, you can create a password by clicking the Forgot Password link. Once logged in, you will encounter the E3101 RE dashboard, displaying new E3101 forms on the right side awaiting your review. Complete your review by either requesting a resubmit or forwarding the form to METS. The form is considered accurate and complete if the item component is associated with the correct bid item, accurate details for unit and quantity are provided, and the source of materials is appropriately identified. For materials that are expected to receive a TL-608 response, it is crucial that the manufacturer's address is listed instead of the supplier's address. The system would notify the manufacturer's email as provided. In this case, I will forward the E3101 form to METS. On the left side of the dashboard, you can add other people who can log into this portal. The users who should be given access are other REs, assistant REs, or office engineers. It is important to note that if a non-DOT email is added, they would be required to click the Forgot Password link on the login page to set their password. DOT emails would use their CTPass password. Within the RE settings page, you have the option to assign delegates for your projects. Simply add the delegate's email address, and the listed delegate would have the same access rights for all your projects. Additionally, there's an option to streamline your workflows by automatically forwarding all E3101 forms to the material administrator by default. If selected, it removes the need for you to review E3101 forms. You will still be informed of the material status through the system notification emails as defined in the email recipient summary slide. Use the search bar at the top of the page to search by project identifiers such as the contract DEA number, EFIS, or permit number. This provides quick access to the detailed project information and the prime contractor login codes. Navigate to the CEM 101 tab to review project personnel details and edit information if needed. The listed RE and prime contractor will receive the E3101 email notifications. If any information is missing or incorrect, the edit button can be used to input accurate details. Navigate to the Submitted E3101 tab for a comprehensive history of previously submitted E3101 materials and their response status and dates. Lastly, on the Bid Items tab, you can add project bid items and view a summary of the number of submitted item components for each bid item. I hope this guide was informative about the E3101 process and provided detailed information about the RE portal. Thank you for watching.